Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've been away trying to edit two videos that have been the death of me, literally. Um, I've been working on one for literally like 2 weeks already because of the resolution that I recorded on. Like it spliced everything up in like multiple videos and the way that I started them, and oh my god, it's been a crazy headache. And then I did another one and the same thing happened, so I decided just to go back and record to a lower resolution, so that way it just records all on one video and I can just edit it from there. So if you guys have any editing tips or easier ways on how to edit stuff, let your girl know, because I'm dying, guys, like literally. And I don't have an Apple or an iPad or a Mac. I'm just using a regular PC. So I don't know if that's the problem or not. I've been trying to use different editing software, and I think the one that I'm using now is AVS or something like that, but the hubby found it and he seems to be doing better on that program. Maybe it's just a user problem, and that user is me. So, but today, guys, I'm bringing you a un-PR unboxing, and I say un because this is in a box and it's not PR stuff, it's stuff that I bought. But I did see this collection going around, and it was PR stuff to other YouTubers. But this collection I actually bought from QVC, and I believe it was like $79, close to like 80 cents or something like that. But it's from It Cosmetics, and so I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys see what's in this box. And so let's get this party started. So first thing is it comes like this. Oops. Oops. And there's some goodies in there. And it comes with, it says, it's your Bye Breakthrough, a five-piece collection. And it comes with a Bye Pores Illumination. It says new poreless finish airbrush press powder. So let's see that guy. These are the times where I don't like having nails because I'm afraid of breaking one off. Okay. Let's get this together. Okay. So it comes like this. I put Pine Sol, and you know, I really like the way that they changed that new formula for all you guys clean freaks. It smells so good, and it's like 99.9% kills germs. And because my immune system is so whacked, I love products like that. Anyways, going back to makeup. Side note, so it goes like this. It's a compact, really pretty, like almost like a light pinky pearl. And it has a little sponge thing, and it looks like this. Like that. And it feels really soft. It's really, really soft. You can't really even see it. I don't know if you guys can. It's like right here. Barely. But it's a really nice, soft finish. So I'm excited to try this out. So moving on, I see that we have a new shade that says Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Concealer. So let's see. So it looks like this. Oops, this way. And this is in the color Tan, which is a rich medium. And let's do a little swatch. So I'm gonna try that. You guys seen that little tiny dot that I did? And look at, it's like a little dot goes a long, long way. It's really thick, like super, super thick. So that's a nice match and it feels really nice. It's like not completely matte, but almost, I feel. So that's product number 2. Moving on. What else is? We have a Bye Bye Lines Serum. Advanced Anti-Aging Wrinkle Smoothing Miracle Concentrate. And so let's check out that. So it's like this. And comes in a pump. And let's take the cap off. Let's give a little dab right there. It's like milky, but it feels really good. Really soft. So we have that. And this is Drops of Light. It doesn't have a color, so I'm assuming it's universal. And then next we have a Bye Bye Makeup. It's a 3-in-1 makeup melting cleansing balm. I currently use a different cleansing balm to take my makeup off when I have like full like coverage makeup on and all that. But that's from, I believe you pronounce it Nyako, and that leaves my skin super, super soft. So I'm excited to try this one. And looks like that. And this looks pretty big. Oh yeah, this is really big. You get, how much do you get? You get 2.82 ounces of product. So let's see what the inside looks like. So it looks like this. You guys can see it. It smells like oranges. Ooh, that's like really, really like oily, but not a bad oily. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's a little shine right here, but it feels super nice. So I'm excited to take my makeup off with this sucker. And the last item we have is a Heavenly Skin Bye Bye Pores powder brush. So let me see. Okay, so the brush looks like this, and looks like a white bunny tail, and it's super duper soft. Oh my god. Oh, I'm even afraid of using this because it's all white. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to like clean it really well, but so I'm excited to try that. So that's all for my It UnPR unboxing. And then I have another unboxing that I also want to do. So let's get started on that one. Okay. So this box is from Lime Creme. comes like this. And my bestie was telling me, you need to order some lime crime lippies. So I decided to order them. And when I did, I was super excited that each one of them were on sale for $5. And I got 4 of them. And so I got, let me show you. This is the Velveteen. So the first color I got was Polly. Looks like this. So I like the little like like the little glass bottle, like it's, I don't know what's the word, but let me give a better swatch, guys, because oh my goodness. So that is Polly. And then we have Red Hot. Looks like this. So that's this one. Sorry, I gotta turn off this light. That is dying, my ring light. I didn't charge it. And of course, this one is Dream Girl. This is Dream Girl. Oh shoot, I just realized I broke a nail, guys. I did break a nail. Dang it. Every time I'm filming, I always break a nail. You know where I'm gonna go tomorrow? Nail shop. I really like the way this one, this is a regular lippy, and I love the flowers, and this one's a really pretty color. So that's that one. I don't know if it's the new nail place I'm going to or what, but I've never had broken nails as much as I have going to this shop that I've been going to across the way from my house. And so I'm really disappointed now, because at first I was thinking it's me, but I don't know. I feel like my nails break so easy, so I don't know. But so that's all the PR unboxing that we have today. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. I know that I've been MIA with my videos, but I hope to have them more frequently and not have that editing nightmare. And we have hubby working on a video as we speak, so hopefully I can have one up by hopefully tonight, if not early tomorrow morning. But I hope that you guys like my PR unboxing. If you guys like this type of video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below, and leave me a comment and let me know if you guys like this kind of video. But I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you guys stay blessed. And thanks so much for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.